Hi, I'm Colin from MIP, and this is the fitting instructions for our evacuation sheet. Ensure that the red material is face down and the straps are faced up, and also that all of the connecting straps for the mattress are tucked away in their corresponding pockets on all four corners, and also that the pull straps are in the centre of the bed. Once your mattress is in place, secure all four corners using the elastic straps like this. In the event that you need to use the evacuation sheet, locate both the longer straps from underneath the mattress and place them over the person and the mattress. On the other side of the bed, locate each of the shorter straps and connect these straps together. You can now locate the evacuation straps at the head and foot end of the bed, pulling these out in preparation to evacuate the patient. Now adjust the straps for a snug fit.